Now, does it beat Wazaro lag, though? Does it beat Wazaro's lag?
Yeah, I was gonna ask that first.
Really good. Whoa. Oh shit.
Going into the death trap.
You have taken the lead.
Yeah, sure. They're just too small continued.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You have taken the lead.
Emma, watch out.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this.
I think I'm 6 people in this one because we can... shit.
There he is. There he is.
Oh my god, he's fighting.
Yeah, it was.
Ice skiing or something.
He probably does ice ski counts.
Don't feel.
Oh no!
Are you serious right now?
Oh my god.
That was the worst smoke bomb in the world, and I like bumped into you and fell into it. That was fantastic. Oh my god, I hate this game and it's laggy bullshit. Hey, where are you guys going? I don't understand.
Well, what?
Rushes. Wow, through my smoke bomb. That's cool. That's my smoke. That is my smoke.
You should have done it.
Oh,
I get this one.
I can't even get it.
Oh shit! No! No! That.
See that he's not in his smoke bomb and he's stunning me. This shit is leg. Fuck off, fucking mute. Yo, smoke. This is bad.
This one?
Fuck
No.
off, your fucking smoke. Fuck you, Martin National. Fuck your face.
My compass is weird.
Yeah, my compass is weird too. I'm thinking they have something to do with this.
Yeah.
Running around the goddamn.
Don't feel.
I know, right?
Yeah, I'm liking everything now.
That is a
God fucking damn it, smoking music.
Oh, what? What? Oh, okay. Nice.
like calmly walk up to you, like, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. No, you're not gonna get me. Sit the fuck on the ground. Oh my god. I hate these guys. These guys are annoying. Jesus Christ.
They just like this delay with the comfort for me. No, what are they doing?
Oh,
They're
wow.
running. No, wait, they never found me. Okay. Sure, that's not the way to do it.
Guys, like, I'm walking around. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, I think it's okay, you're gonna focus.
Oh my god. Oh,
Oh.
you saved me.
I did.
I had that kill first. I was like, oh shit, incoming message.
Oh shit, Emma.
I can't get the X on him. Holy fuck, I'm like right above his face.
I know.
Oh, I can see him.
Like balding his head, and they're like, I want X on him. You Martin Nacho, fuck you. I'm yellow. You think this is bad? Wait till you see the offense round.
Oh god, now Emma, you're just like bringing matters worse.
Look at him.
Oh wow, look at this bullshit. Oh my god, no, oh my god. Emma.
Man, I don't know where it is. Oh my god, I don't know where the fuck is going on.
Oh my god, where?
Down here.
Is that you? Yes, it was.
Up, okay. All else fails. Go
Can't get them. They're very playtime.
Yes, I went through this. Oh my god.
They didn't get stunned anyway, so maybe not because the guy gonna smoke bomb or I don't know.
Yeah.
Round 2. Your objective is to hide and
Yeah.
Let's stay in the douchebag corner.
Yeah, this is the part I like. I like this corner right here. Very good for tournament
He's sending something
uses.
to stacky most of the time.
It's not as good as the Venice one. The Venice one.
Oh yeah. This one's still pretty
I really
good.
like my Venice one.
Engineer.
Oh no. Wow, that's the latest from over!
I smoke, but not up there.
Oh, look at this! Oh no way! No! Why? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Holy
Holy shit!
That was 4 offensive smoke bombs in a row. It was like a fucking domino reaction of like shit. Bullshit. I was looking, it was like, oh, smoke, 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 smoke.
I know.
Well, at least they're all out of it on the brain.
Yeah, where do you want to go, Emma? I already hear whispers. We should just stay over here.
stun.
Where are you going?
Back to the car.
No, you're gonna die.
Well, I just stunned him, and how did he kill me?
Please.
That is bullshit. No, that is just completely bullshit. No way. It even said I stunned him. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, probably.
They already used their offensive smoke right now. I'm coming towards
I had
you.
to have them again.
Yeah, they do.
I wish I had a knife. I need to start bringing knives just for Oh wow! If I can't get this, my smoke drop second.
Oh
My
shit.
smoke drop second. You serious? Jesus! Holy balls! Uh oh! Uh oh! Uh oh! Uh oh! Oh god! He's gonna offensively smoke me for 3 points. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, I got off in smoke too, but then I
Oh shit.
Stun.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Offensive mute. Offensive mute. They're using smoke bomb and offensive mute. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Yeah, they're using smoke in disguise or something. I think it's much more using disguise.
I have a smoking 10, I have...
I already got reset cooldowns.
I already have mute.
That's incoming.
Yeah, that's
I
it.
failed it up here.
I don't trust that spot, yeah.
Oh, there are 3 people. No, there are 4.
One's climbing. Oh.
Oh, on the fucking, are you serious? Nice, babe.
Stun.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this offensive mute. Oh my god. I mean smoke.
They're so bad. It's like they can't do anything without their smoke bomb.
I know.
It's like, holy fuck, it's so bad. God, I mean, I smoke, but at least I get like a poison off it, or a hidden kill, or I get like my team to get killed, but each bomb has one that's like,
Yeah. That is actually
after a
very
while,
bad.
it becomes redundant, because you're just taking 300, everything's smoked, and no
Yeah.
one knows who's getting what. So bad. Fuck these people. Goddamn fucking...
That Justin Bieber looks way too
That
creepy.
Corazon one. That Corazon has
Yeah.
I'm used to too.
Through my mute. Wow. Through my mute.
No poison, no poison me. What?
What? Oh, I can't because I ran right into the stupid... Oh! It's invisible too. It's invisible. It's like the worst thing. It's fucking invisible. Fantastic. These people are so good. Remind me to send them all fucking play or something. Why? Say congratulations for your lag. Have a pineapple.
I have 4 people.
Yeah, have a pineapple. I'm going towards you, Emma.
30 seconds remaining.
So fuck hello, engineer.
Yeah.
What? I muted and it still got
and then the
through.
other one is going to... Men Cornelia, vad håller du på med? Sluta slänga min död!
On the ground, Anubis. On the ground. Where you belong.
you guys find me? Yeah, you guys find me. Good. Oh, the shade kids are that second.
Wow, then they're gonna go right through my smoke bomb and my Mew. Wow.
You have finished first.
That was terrible.